Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we have another laptop in today. It's the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 Slim 3. This one has an issue with not charging, and it seems to be that there's an issue with the port itself, so I'm not sure if you can see that. Also, I just noticed as well, there's a crack. So let's just have a look what's going on inside. 2 screws are missing there. Not just a normal socket, this needs to be basically soldered in, so that's completely knackered. You can see that, so that needs to be removed. So we'll remove the board and then see how we get on with it. Let's just take the board apart. There we have it, and there you can see that is completely knackered. I have a replacement, so this one I think should do the trick. Okay, so as you can see, that is now fully soldered. Yeah, so let's put it all back together and see what happens. As you can see, I've put it all back together, and it seems to be okay. Let's power it up. And there we go. We have power. I can't show you what's on the screen. I think I've got some name on there, but yeah, there you go. As you can see, that's all done, and another successful repair. Thank you for watching.